I didn't think I could do it, y'all. I made one of these egg white wraps and it came out great. Watch this video and see how I did it. Guys and gals, Facebook knows how to get me. They know what my preferences are and they will suggest something to me, and almost every time I'll try. So tonight we're going to be making an egg white wrap, and we're going to be using, of course, the eggs, dill pickle. There's some of the chicken I baked, smoked last weekend. We got some fresh parsley, some Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago cheeses. We got some Greek yogurts, whole milk, got some lemon juice, got some Grey Poupon mustard, got some seasoned all salt. We're going to saute the bell peppers, onions, and the garlic. Let's go ahead and put this baby together. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now we're just going to saute these until they're nice and glistening. Should take about 3 minutes or so. Now let me show you how I'm separating these eggs. I'm taking this slotted spoon that has the holes in them, and I'm just cracking them right in here. Goes right down in there, just like that, just so easy. And there you have it, guys. Look at those egg yolks right there. I was hoping they'd come out good because I was like, please, no blood spots, no blood spots. Sometimes when you're cooking farm fresh eggs, you're running to that little blood spot. So now, again, remember, these have got to be room temperature, y'all, to make the stiff peaks that we're getting ready to make. So we're going to have to get out of our mixer and mix this until we get stiff peaks. All right, toward the end of this, we're just going to add about a tablespoon of white wine in here, y'all. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. That's just going to give it some extra flavor here. Help to soften it up a little bit more. There you go. That's what you call those stiff peaks right there, y'all. Then we're going to add some garlic powder, some Italian seasonings, and some cilantro, and give it a little bit of a mix again, just like that. Then we're going to take some parchment paper, spray it with some cooking spray. That's just some avocado oil. Add it to your pan and spread it out. Spread it like that in the oven, 10 minutes, 400 degrees. While we're waiting on that, we're going to take our whole milk yogurt. That's about half a cup. A couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, about a half a teaspoon of our all seasoned salt. Add some fresh parsley in there, just like that. I picked that out of my garden. Throw you some cheese flakes in there and give it a mix. And you didn't think we were going to throw those eggs away, right? We're going to fry those babies up or scramble them up. Take that egg, and I just got some seasoned salt on that, y'all. Cut your pickles. We're going to cut these into spheres. Ooh, and look at that, y'all. Nice and golden. We're going to let it cool down a little bit. Alrighty, y'all, look at this. This is what they did on the video. Oh, I can hold it. I can hold it. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So we're going to spread some of our sauce right there. Put on our vegetables. Add your chicken. I warmed that up in the microwave a little bit. Add your dill pickle cubes. And add your eggs. Now we're going to try to give this baby a roll. Guys and gals, it rolled perfectly. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm getting too excited now. Give that baby a nice little cut. We got us 2 pieces. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, that girl that made the video, she ate all of hers. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all of this, y'all, but we're going to try. And there you have it, y'all. A stable egg wrap. Was easy to make. Didn't take very long. If I wasn't video taping this, it would have only taken less than 30 minutes, y'all. But like, share, comments. Y'all going to see me eat at least part of this. Y'all have a great day. Peace. Alrighty, boys and girls. Now here is my true test. Is it going to stay together? Yeah, it looked like it stayed together when I was making it, but it's going to stay together while I eat it. So far, so good. Look at that. Look at that. Here we go, y'all. Oh, my mouth is watering. Y'all. Oh my God. Them dill pickles in there, y'all. And it tastes like I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like something that's not supposed to be healthy. You've got to try this. Like, share, comment. It's so easy, y'all. Don't be scared to do it. Make sure your egg whites are room temperature. And those were farm fresh eggs. They sit out on the counter all day. It came out good, y'all. Peace.